Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to About Phone or About Device. This is where the build number lives. Once you find build number, tap it 7 times without pausing. You'll see a brief countdown or message saying you are X steps away from being a developer. If prompted, enter your lock screen PIN or pattern to confirm identity. This step both enables advanced settings and protects them behind your existing device security. Once the mode is enabled, go back to main settings and look for developer options, usually under System or directly in the list. Make sure to flip the top-level toggle to on so individual settings take effect. Now scan categories like debugging for USB debugging, networking for mock locations, input for pointer and keyboard settings, and drawing for GPU overdraw and animation scales. Take it slow and read each label. Many toggles affect performance or battery life, so change only what you understand. Finish by testing the specific feature you enabled, connect via USB, adjust animation scales, or run profiling tools, and then revert temporary changes to normal values. If developer options vanish, reboot the phone first. If that fails, go back to About Phone and tap build number 7 times again to re-enable. Make sure to fully disable developer options or toggles like USB debugging when not needed. Doing so prevents accidental changes and reduces security and battery risks should something go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.